Hi, welcome to Crochet Jewel channel. I'm going to show you how to make this cute crochet leaves for your headphones. I used a G-hook, medium worsted yarn. The pattern's down below. I have videos on how to place your video in slow motion, and there is a beginner stitches playlist if you need it. So to get started, you're going to slip knot onto your hook and chain 10. Slip stitch in the second chain from the hook, pull through, single crochet in the next, insert your hook, grab the yarn over, pull through 2 loops, half double crochet in the next chain, yarn over, insert your hook, grab the yarn, pull through all 3 loops, double crochet in the next, yarn over, insert your hook, grab the yarn, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over twice for 2 treble crochet in the next, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and repeat, and then repeat for 1 more treble in the same chain. Double crochet in the next, half double crochet in the next, single crochet in the next, and then slip stitch in the next. And then you're going to work on the opposite side. This is all repeat. You're going to slip stitch, and you're going to do it the same way you did with your chain 10. Then you're going to single crochet, and then half double crochet, and then double crochet, and then 2 treble crochet, and then double crochet in the next. Then half double crochet in the next, and then single crochet, and then you'll end with a slip stitch, and then chain 10, and you're going to work this leaf on the opposite side, and you're going to work it the same exact way. So this is a slip stitch in the second chain from the hook, and this is just all repeat, and then you'll work a single crochet, and then a half double crochet, and then a double crochet, and then 2 treble crochet, and then a double crochet, then a half double crochet, and then a single crochet, and then a slip stitch, and then you're going to turn, and then you're going to work the pattern on the other side to complete. So slip stitch, and this is all repeat again. It's just a slip stitch, and then work it exactly the same exact way. Single crochet, and then half double crochet, and then double crochet. And if you need to pause the video or place it in slow motion, go ahead, and then 2 treble crochet. Then a double crochet, and then a half double crochet, and then you'll have a single crochet and a slip stitch, and you will fasten off. Slip knot onto your hook and then slip stitch into the center. You can do up to 40 to 60 chains. I did 60 and wrapped it around the headphones twice. Take your yarn needle and weave in your ends, and then you're going to take the yarn needle and secure the chain of 60 into the center. I'm going to wrap it around twice to secure it, and this worked perfectly. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. The pattern is down below.